Hello, survival enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Prepper's Path. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: why you should know how to fix and change a tire. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, this is a vital piece of knowledge that can save you time, money, and ensure your safety. Let's dive in. First off, why is it important to know how to change a tire? Imagine you're on a road trip, far from any service stations, and you get a flat tire. Knowing how to change it yourself can get you back on the road quickly, avoiding long waits for roadside assistance. It also empowers you to handle unexpected situations with confidence and reduces the risk of being stranded in potentially unsafe locations. Now let's talk about the practical benefits of knowing how to fix and change a tire. First, it's a major time saver. Instead of waiting hours for help, you can have the tire changed in about 15-30 minutes. Second, it's cost-effective. Roadside assistance services or tow trucks can be expensive. By doing it yourself, you save money. Lastly, it's a basic skill that enhances your overall vehicle maintenance knowledge, making you a more responsible and self-reliant driver. Let's quickly go over the basic steps to change a tire. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and turn on your hazard lights. Use a wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Then, use a jack to lift the car off the ground. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire and replace it with the spare tire. Finally, hand tighten the lug nuts, lower the car, and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Knowing how to fix and change a tire is an invaluable skill that ensures you're prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips and advice. Drive safe and stay prepared. Subscribe for more practical tips. Next time we talk about your government doesn't care about you.